Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to send a huge shout out to all of my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do a hot oil treatment on my hair. This is the first time I have done a hot oil treatment on my hair since I've been sister-locked, and actually I think it's the first time I've done one on my hair since I've been natural, if I'm not mistaken. So here you see me with freshly washed hair, and I'm just, parting it in sections and making sure that my hair is distributed in a way to where I can get all of the oil on there evenly. So basically here I have argan oil, and I'm just pouring it into an applicator bottle. And then I'm going to mix it with, is it jojoba oil? I don't know, I can't remember why I mixed multiple oils, but I just did. And I'll tell you why that probably was a bad idea later. But anyway, as you see, I'm just going through, and I start by putting the oil on my scalp. And once I get it on my scalp good, then I move to making sure it's on my hair by starting at the ends, particularly because my hair is color treated, so I want to make sure that I give that the moisture that it needs. My hair hasn't been, well, up until this point it hadn't been like abnormally dry, but it has been drier than normal since I've done this video, and yeah, I'll talk about that in another video. But yeah, up until this point it hadn't been abnormally dry, but I was still putting it on my scalp just to make sure. And so basically, I had put it in an applicator bottle, but it ran out and I didn't feel like going through the motions of refilling it. So at a certain point I just started to like pour the oil directly on my hair. Actually I think I went a little bit overboard. I think I used too much oil, but I mean my hair still came out soft. If this is something that you're gonna do, I don't think you have to use as much oil as I did. And honestly, it would probably be better to just buy an oil where there's like maybe multiple oils in there, so you won't have to deal with like trying to mix multiple oils. And as you see here, that's my little sister being silly. We were joking and having a good time. I basically just put on a shower cap, put my hair under there, and then I'm going to sit under my bonnet attachment dryer for about, I think you only have to do it for like 20 minutes, but I think I ended up doing it for like an hour because, I don't know, I didn't feel like the heat was getting on my hair, so I just did it longer. Come do it with me, mama.
That's my type. That's my type. That's my type.
They lame.
Shut up.
Oh, my back hurt. I can't keep doing
Go, mommy.
Go, mommy. Go, mommy. Go, mommy.
Hey, hey.
Not that face.
Rich nigga. That's my type. That's my type.
So this is what my hair looks like after I took it out from the bonnet dryer and rinsed it out. It was really soft and it felt really moisturized. I would say a little bit more moisturized than when I do when I deep condition. And then I just sprayed my hair with the leave-in conditioner that I'm always talking about. Now, this is something that I would do again, and I definitely think it worked for my hair, especially being that I have color treated hair. But as the weeks went on, I noticed that there was a lot of oil buildup on my scalp. I'm not sure if it was because like my hair or my scalp not liking the particular oils that I use, or if I just honestly use too much, but I definitely did notice oil build up on my scalp, or not oil, but I guess that resulted in dandruff, so much to the point that I actually had to use a clarifying shampoo on my hair, which I rarely have to do at this point. That stripped my hair and like made it dry. It was like a whole ordeal. So if I do this again, I will probably look into using different types of oils. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use, but I will do it again, just probably won't use those same oils. But anyway, I really liked how my hair felt afterwards. It felt moisturized, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.